After decades of playing second fiddle to Nepal and Bhutan, despite the fact that 73% of the Himalayas lie in India, the Ministry of Tourism has scaled up efforts to promote the mountain range through its campaign 777 Days Incredible Indian Himalayas. The campaign was officially launched by the Tourism Minister in New Delhi on the eve of World Tourism Day. The twin objective of the campaign is to attract more foreign tourists during the lean summer season and at the same time remind the world that a major part of the Himalayan range is in India. It also aims to make Indian Himalayas into a 365-day destination for the travellers and bring it on the world tourism map.
Through this campaign, we want to create a new awareness about our nation's biggest asset, the Indian Himalayas. The Indian Himalayas themselves are a complete destination which can be explored around the year for a variety of experiences.
The campaign will not only promote the Himalayan states but also the gateway cities which will serve them with their international and domestic airports and railway stations.
इस तरह के कैंपेनिंग की हमें तलाश थी क्योंकि हिमालयन स्टेट्स जो हैं हिंदुस्तान के साथ में उसमें हम समझते हैं कि हम सबसे बड़े स्टेक होल्डर हैं उसमें क्योंकि हम तो पूरे हिमालयाज़ में ही रहते हैं और ऐसे में जो आज कैंपेन हमारे यूनियन टूरिज्म मिनिस्ट्री ने शुरू की है 777 डेज़ की तो इसका बेनिफिट जम्मू कश्मीर को भी मिलेगा ऐसा हम मानते हैं.
Indian Himalayas is an incredible tourism product that can attract both domestic and the international tourists.
India are very welcoming and very opening. They make you feel at home in their, when you're a guest, and I always come back very relaxed and very calm.
Himalayan tourism offers opportunities to the travellers round the year. In the winters, Himalayas offer a great variety of adventure sports such as skiing. In summers, tourists can enjoy expeditions in the Himalayas, whitewater rafting and also adventure sports such as mountain trekking and skiing. The Himalayas are also of great relevance for the Buddhist tourists on account of peace and serenity they offer. Incredible India, Atithi Devo Bhava, Clean India campaign and I Respect Women campaign, the Tourism Ministry has now launched the 777 Days of Incredible Indian Himalayas. With this an amazing fact that the 73% of Himalayas lies in India, the Tourism Ministry intends to promote the Himalayan tourism as the 365 days of tourism destination. With camera person Yogesh, this is Salva Chaudhary for DD News.